Welcome to SERU mock test number 4. In this video we will show you 30 real practice questions from the TFL mock test as part of the SERU assessment. We will read the question for you, then there will be a 10 seconds timer before we give you the correct answer. If you are not ready with the answer in the 10 seconds timer, feel free to pause the video and try to answer yourself. These questions are taken directly from the SERU assessment in 2025. So make sure you watch the video as many times as needed to learn the questions. More videos with different questions will be uploaded in the channel, so don't forget to watch them too. Now let's start with question number 1. If a passenger requests to bring a pet that is not in a carrier and isn't an assistance dog, how should the driver respond? A. Allow the pet to roam freely in the vehicle. B. Politely refuse the request and explain that pets must be in a suitable carrier for safety reasons, as can potentially cause an accident. C. Agree to transport the pet but ask the passenger to hold it. D. Suggest the passenger leave the pet behind. The correct answer is B. Politely refuse the request and explain that pets must be in a suitable carrier for safety reasons, as can potentially cause an accident. Question number 2. What should a private hire driver do if they encounter a roadblock or diversion during a journey? A. Ignore the diversion and continue driving. B. Follow the diversion route and inform the passenger of the delay. C. Stop the vehicle and wait for the roadblock to clear. D. Turn around and cancel the journey. The correct answer is B. Follow the diversion route and inform the passenger of the delay. Question number 3. What should a private hire driver do if they are asked to drive through a no-entry zone? A. Agree to drive through the no-entry zone. B. Politely inform the passenger that it is illegal and suggest an alternative route. C. Ignore the restriction and drive through the zone. D. Refuse to continue the journey. The correct answer is B. Politely inform the passenger that it is illegal and suggest an alternative route. Question number 4. What should a private hire driver do if they feel fatigued during a long journey? A. Continue driving until reaching the destination. B. Take a break at a safe location. Rest and resume the journey after feeling refreshed. C. Speed up to finish the journey quickly. D. Ignore the fatigue and keep driving. The correct answer is B. Take a break at a safe location. Rest and resume the journey after feeling refreshed. Question number 5. If a passenger refuses to wear a seatbelt, what should the driver do? A. Allow the passenger to ride without a seatbelt. B. Politely remind the passenger that wearing a seatbelt is a legal requirement and necessary for safety. C. Ignore the situation and continue driving. D. Stop the vehicle and ask the passenger to leave. The correct answer is B. Politely remind the passenger that wearing a seatbelt is a legal requirement and necessary for safety. Question number 6. What should a private hire driver do if they encounter a pedestrian crossing the road unexpectedly? A. Speed up to avoid hitting the pedestrian. B. Slow down and stop to allow the pedestrian to cross safely. C. Honk the horn to warn the pedestrian. D. Ignore the pedestrian and continue driving. The correct answer is B. Slow down and stop to allow the pedestrian to cross safely. Question number 7. What should a driver do if a passenger becomes unconscious during a journey? A. Administer first aid immediately. B. Call 999 and stay with them until help arrives. C. Drive to the nearest hospital. D. Ask the passenger to leave the vehicle. The correct answer is B. Call 999 and stay with them until help arrives. Question number 8. Which action is considered unacceptable under TFL standards? A. Wearing a PHV driver's badge. B. Making sexual remarks to a passenger. C. Reporting lost property. D. Using a sat-nav device. The correct answer is B. Making sexual remarks to a passenger. Question number 9. Where are PHVs prohibited from driving? A. Bus lanes. B. Red routes. C. Parking bays. D. Residential streets. The correct answer is A. Bus lanes. Question number 10. Under the Equality Act, PHV drivers must carry assistance dogs, unless A. The passenger prefers the dog to sit in the boot. B. The driver has a medical exemption. C. The dog is not wearing a jacket. D. The journey is under 10 minutes. The correct answer is B. The driver has a medical exemption. Question number 11. Which is a potential sign of county lines exploitation? A. A child traveling with their parent. B. A young person being taken to a hotel at odd hours. C. An adult carrying shopping bags. D. A passenger with a wheelchair. The correct answer is B. A young person being taken to a hotel at odd hours. Question number 12. Within how many days must a driver inform TFL of a change of address? A. 7 days. B. 14 days. C. 21 days. D. 30 days. The correct answer is C. 21 days. Question number 13. What type of insurance is required for a PHV? A. Third-party insurance. B. Hire or reward insurance. C. Comprehensive insurance. D. Personal injury insurance. The correct answer is B. Hire or reward insurance. Question number 14. What is a warning sign of potential aggression in a passenger? A. Smiling. B. Crossed arms and raised voice. C. Reading a book. D. Asking for directions. The correct answer is B. Crossed arms and raised voice. Question number 15. When is it acceptable for a driver to enter the back seat of the vehicle? A. To chat with passengers. B. During an emergency. C. To adjust the temperature. D. When the passenger requests it. The correct answer is B. During an emergency. Question number 16. Where are PHVs prohibited from stopping to pick up passengers? A. Single yellow lines. B. Zigzag lines near schools. C. Red routes. D. Bus lanes. The correct answer is B. Zigzag lines near schools. Question number 17. What is the minimum legal tire tread depth for a PHV? A. 0.8 mm. B. 1 mm. C. 1.6 mm. D. 2.0 mm. The correct answer is C. 1.6 mm. Question number 18. When is it legal to use a handheld mobile phone while driving? A. It is never legal to use a handheld mobile phone while driving. B. To call the emergency services in an emergency. C. To check a booking. D. When stuck in traffic. The correct answer is B. To call the emergency services in an emergency. Question number 19. What defines a designated wheelchair accessible PHV? A. A vehicle with extra legroom. B. A vehicle modified to carry wheelchairs safely. C. A vehicle with tinted windows. D. A vehicle used only for airport journeys. The correct answer is B. A vehicle modified to carry wheelchairs safely. Question number 20. Within how many hours must a vehicle owner report collision damage affecting safety to TFL? A. 24 hours. B. 48 hours. C. 72 hours. D. 1 week. The correct answer is C. 72 hours. Question number 21. What is considered a misuse of passenger information? A. Confirming booking details. B. Contacting a passenger for personal reasons. C. Reporting lost property. D. Sharing fare estimates. The correct answer is B. Contacting a passenger for personal reasons. Question number 22. Which vehicle type is exempt from the Ultra-Low Emission Zone, ULEZ, charge? A. Petrol vehicles registered after 2005. B. Diesel vehicles registered after 2015. C. Designated wheelchair accessible PHVs. D. Hybrid vehicles. The correct answer is C. Designated wheelchair accessible PHVs. Question number 23. According to Annex 6 of the Highway Code, what must drivers ensure about their windscreen? A. It has a sat-nav attached. B. It is clean and free from obstructions. C. It displays advertising stickers. D. It is tinted for privacy. The correct answer is B. It is clean and free from obstructions. Question number 24. What must a driver do if they are exempt from carrying assistance dogs? A. Display an exemption notice in the vehicle. B. Refuse all passengers with dogs. C. Charge extra for transporting dogs. D. Notify passengers verbally. The correct answer is A. Display an exemption notice in the vehicle. Question number 25. How should a driver guide a vision-impaired passenger to their vehicle? A. Push them toward the vehicle. B. Allow them to hold the driver's arm elbow. C. Use verbal instructions only. D. Carry the passenger to the vehicle. The correct answer is B. Allow them to hold the driver's arm elbow. Question number 26. What does an enhanced DBS check reveal? A. Only traffic violations. B. Convictions, cautions, and local police information. C. Medical history. D. Employment references. The correct answer is B. Convictions, cautions, and local police information. Question number 27. Which assessment confirms a driver's English language reading and writing skills? A. Topographical skills assessment. B. DVLA medical assessment. C. Safety, equality, and regulatory understanding assessment. D. Enhanced DBS check. The correct answer is C. Safety, equality, and regulatory understanding assessment. Question number 28. What could happen if a driver fails to report a conviction to TFL? A. Receive a warning letter. B. License revocation. C. Reduced insurance premiums. D. Exemption from medical checks. The correct answer is B. License revocation. Question number 29. Where can PHVs legally stop to pick up passengers? As long as quick pick-up without waiting is considered. A. Taxi ranks. B. Bus stop clearways. C. Single or double red lines. D. Pedestrian crossings. The correct answer is C. Single or double red lines. Question number 30. Which medical conditions must a driver immediately report to TFL? A. Diabetes. B. Epilepsy. C. High blood pressure. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. More videos with the latest TFL SERU assessment questions will be uploaded in the channel. So don't forget to watch them too. All of the questions in SERU assessment are based on the PHV handbook. And we recommend you to watch it as many times as possible, so you can pass the assessment smoothly. Link to full PHV handbook training will be left in the description below. Thanks for watching.